me tell you, there's no feeling quite like watching your investment skyrocket. It's a rush, a thrill, a validation of your instincts. 2 years ago, I took a gamble on a company that everyone seemed to be talking about, Tesla. Was I nervous? Sure. Was it a calculated risk? Absolutely. And let me tell you that 250% return tasted sweeter than a cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day. This wasn't just luck. This was about recognizing potential, doing your homework and trusting your gut. Let's take a ride back to where it all began. The journey was exhilarating, and the rewards were beyond my wildest dreams. 2 years ago, Tesla was already making waves, but it wasn't the electric vehicle giant it is today. Back then, it was still a company with a lot to prove, a vision that many couldn't fully grasp. People thought I was crazy. "It's overvalued," they shouted. They couldn't see beyond the immediate numbers, the quarterly reports, the volatile stock prices. "It's just a car company," they cried. They were fixated on the traditional metrics, the conventional wisdom that dictated how a car company should perform. But I saw something different. I saw a company pushing boundaries, challenging conventions, and leading a revolution. It wasn't just about manufacturing vehicles, it was about redefining what a car could be. This wasn't just about cars, it was about sustainable energy, innovative technology, and a vision for the future. Tesla was integrating solar power, energy storage, and electric transportation into a cohesive ecosystem. Tesla was an idea, a movement, a glimpse into tomorrow. It represented a shift towards a more sustainable and technologically advanced world, and I wanted to be a part of it. I dug deep, poring through financial reports, analyzing market trends, and listening to Elon Musk's audacious plans. His vision was bold, his goals ambitious, but they were grounded in a clear understanding of the future. The more I learned, the more convinced I became. Tesla was a bet worth taking. It wasn't just about the potential financial returns, it was about being part of a transformative journey, a revolution in how we think about energy and transportation. The market 2 years ago was a roller coaster. Global uncertainty loomed, interest rates were in flux, and investors were wary. It was the kind of market that made even seasoned investors sweat. But amidst the turmoil, Tesla stood out. While other companies were struggling, Tesla was thriving. Their production was ramping up, demand for their vehicles was soaring, and their technological advancements were turning heads. It was a beacon of innovation in a sea of uncertainty. And that, my friends, is what separated the good investments from the great ones. The journey wasn't always smooth sailing. There were moments of doubt, times when the stock dipped, and headlines screamed about competition and setbacks. There were days when I questioned my own judgment, wondering if I had made the right call. But I held firm. I reminded myself why I invested in the first place, the company's vision, its potential, and my belief in its long-term success. I tuned out the noise, ignored the naysayers, and stayed focused on the bigger picture. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations of the market, but true success comes from having a plan, sticking to it, and riding out the inevitable bumps along the way. Section 5, 250% ROI, breaking down the factors behind Tesla's surge. So, how did we get here? How did Tesla, a company once dismissed as a niche player in the automotive industry, become a Wall Street darling, delivering a whopping 250% return in just 2 years? Let's break it down. The journey of Tesla is nothing short of remarkable. From its humble beginnings, the company has faced numerous challenges and skepticism. Yet, it has managed to turn the tide and emerge as a leader in the electric vehicle market. First, there's the undeniable demand for electric vehicles. As the world becomes more aware of the environmental impact of traditional gasoline cars, the shift towards electric vehicles has gained momentum. Consumers are becoming increasingly eco-conscious, seeking out sustainable and environmentally friendly alternatives. Governments around the world are also pushing for sustainable solutions, offering incentives and subsidies to promote the adoption of electric vehicles. And Tesla is leading the charge, setting the standard for what electric vehicles can achieve. Second, Tesla's technology is second to none. Their cars are not only sleek and stylish, but also equipped with powerful batteries that offer impressive range and performance. Their self-driving capabilities are light years ahead of the competition, making Tesla a pioneer in autonomous driving technology. Finally, there's the Elon Musk factor. Say what you will about the man, but he's a visionary leader with a knack for capturing the public's imagination. His bold pronouncements and ambitious goals have created a cult-like following, driving both hype and real-world results. Musk's ability to innovate and push boundaries has not only propelled Tesla to new heights, but also inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs and innovators. His leadership has been instrumental in Tesla's success, creating a brand that is synonymous with innovation and forward thinking. In conclusion, Tesla's surge can be attributed to a combination of rising demand for electric vehicles, cutting-edge technology, and the visionary leadership of Elon Musk. Together, these factors have driven both hype and real-world results, making Tesla a true success story in the modern automotive industry. Section 6. The thrill of the ride, my Tesla investment journey. Investing is more than just numbers on a screen. It's about emotions, instincts, and taking a leap of faith. My Tesla investment was no different. I remember the excitement of buying my first shares, the anticipation of watching the stock climb, and the sheer exhilaration of seeing my portfolio grow. But I also remember the moments of doubt, the sleepless nights worrying about market crashes, and the temptation to sell when things got rough. But through it all, I learned valuable lessons about myself, about the market, and about the power of believing in something bigger than yourself. Section 7. Investing in the future, lessons learned from my Tesla success. My Tesla investment wasn't just about making money, it was about investing in a future I believe in. It was about supporting a company pushing the boundaries of innovation and driving us towards a more sustainable tomorrow. And you know what? It's not just about Tesla. It's about finding companies that align with your values, that are solving real-world problems, and that have the potential to change the world. That's where the real excitement lies. So what are you waiting for? Section 8. Ready to invest? Tips for the road ahead. Now, I'm not saying every investment will be a home run like Tesla, but I am saying that with the right approach, you can increase your chances of success. Investing is not just about luck, it's about strategy, research, and patience. Here are a few tips. 1. Do your homework. This means diving deep into the financial health of the companies you're interested in. Don't just follow the hype. Research companies thoroughly. Understand their financials and look at their earnings reports, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, and assess their long-term potential. 2. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. The market will have its ups and downs, but staying focused on your long-term goals is key. Focus on the bigger picture and invest in companies you believe in for the long haul. 3. Manage your risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is crucial to managing risk. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes and industries. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes and industries. 4. Stay informed. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Keep up with market trends, industry news, and company announcements. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. The better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Read books, follow financial news, and consider taking courses to improve your understanding. Investing can be a wild ride, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The journey of investing is filled with learning opportunities and growth, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So buckle up, enjoy the journey, and remember, the future is yours to create. With the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your financial goals. The future is yours to create. Happy investing.